Once we have the HTML kit installed, a few things we'll want to do quite frequently is to check for updates, which it does automatically as long as you're connected to the internet. Takes a little while. And there we go, no new versions found. If there is, we just open the download page, which is opened within HTML-Kit itself, and it uses whatever version of Internet Explorer you're currently using. We may also want to have a look at the plugins directory. There's a host to choose from. I'll just run through those which I've found to be most useful. Here we have a plugin for working with SVG, which is Scalable Vector Graphics. And what all of these plugins do is they become a button like these at the top, which has a list of elements and attributes which can be auto-inserted into your document. We also have a MathML plugin. xHTML is quite useful. It inserts unsafe character codes, so I'll just click on that to download it. Just go back. I'll also be downloading the SVG plugin. TW's JavaScript is useful if you use JavaScript. And there's also a WML, which is wireless markup language for things such as mobile phones, which you can install. XSLT is the Extensible Style Sheets language for transformations, which is for XML, so we won't be needing that. TM-CSS, now this is useful for helping us write our CSS documents. And there's many more, so have a look through. They don't take long to download, as you can see. There's also what you see is what you get table designer. XML validated we won't need. CSS validated plugin, now this is useful but takes a long time to both download and install because we need to have a Java applet engine installed to do it. And there's Perl. In a sense, HTML-Kit, when used with its plugins, can be used for working on almost any kind of text-based language, programming languages, etc., and there are plugins to help us do all of this. Once you've chosen the plugins you'd like to install, we can just go to Install Plugin and just browse to the folder. And just restart HTML-Kit once we've installed it, and the new plugin should be there. As new versions come out, plugins that they've found to be very useful they've installed automatically. So we can now see Scalable Vector Graphics, all the elements that can be inserted